Here it is. The moment we've been waiting for. All right.
Good.
Yep, are you good?
Okay.
All right. Gonna step over this. I guess we could just set it right here. Hello everybody, Andrew from Bindle here. I'm at our roastery, hanging out with Casey over here, and we just got an amazing shipment from Victoria Arduino and Nuova Simonelli. First up here is a super secret project we're working on to be announced shortly, next video. And over here we have the Victoria Arduino Eagle One PRIMA. We actually got the first US 2-group Eagle One last summer, and this is the single group commercial / home use version, and we are very excited about this thing. We've been waiting for this. We got a custom paint job on this baby and hey, I just noticed I actually matched this machine today. Check this out. Super cool. Matched machine, except for I'm cool and neon and this is cardboard box. Well, anyway, we're gonna get this thing open and put it next to the other Eagle One and see how they stack up next to each other. Okay, I'm so excited. All right, okay, here we go. Oh no. Oh boy. What? Let's see if there's anything inside the backpack, but also, oh my goodness. There's hats, there's backpacks inside backpacks. Oh my goodness. And oh yes, also been waiting for one of these. Barista apron. Okay, this is quick start guide. We're gonna need this for the setup here. This is a direct line kit, so if we want to hook this thing up for like direct line into your water line, we can do it with this. Otherwise, there's a water tank built in. You can just fill up and you don't need the direct plumb. Come around here. Do you see that? Yikes. Oh boy. This thing is crazy. It's green. Haha. It's very cool. Well, we're gonna go set this up on the counter and see what it can do. All right, so we have this thing plugged in. We're gonna kind of go through the startup procedure and get this show on the road. Okay, so first off, there's a main power button on the bottom right, and you turn that on. Hopefully we will see something happen. Okay, so this thing is blinking. F1, so that means fill tank. F stands for fill, I guess. The tank, I guess I'll just show that again, is super awesome, super easy to access. You just lift this little hinge, pull this up, and then that's your tank. I'm using third wave water for the espresso setup. This will give you kind of the perfect balance of water minerals and everything for your espresso profile. So super handy when you have a tanked in home machine like this. So that thing seats in there nice and easily. Close this up, and then I believe you hold buttons 1 and 3 at the same time to trigger the fill. Okay, water's coming out of here. It's very cold. This thing came in basically frozen on the truck, so okay. So it fills the tank. Got my instruction book here, so make sure we don't mess this up right at the beginning. Open the steam outlet for 1 minute. Complete emptying of the steam boiler. Repeat this operation 3 times. We gotta do the last steam purge, 60-second steam purge, and then we'll get to pulling some shots. Are you ready? Your marks, get set. Okay, cool. So what this is going to do is just purge the steam boiler of any excess air so it can be fully pressurized and ready to go. All right. So I have the machine set up here for the same espresso shot profile that our regular Eagle One right here has set up. So it has a 3-second pre-infusion on, 3-second off, and then a soft infusion up to its regular pressure. And so we've got the Mythos 2 grinder. We're gonna do an 18-gram dose with a 36-gram dose out. Although I don't know if the out dose is set yet. We'll find out. Okay, sweet. Got it dialed in after like just a few shots, a few tries. So I'm going to give it a taste, see what happens. Cheers. A little bit, so good. For a first shot out of here, it's, you know, dialing in like 3 pulls. It's a little bright, but it's very close to being solid shot for a drink. Get a nice even distribution. We've got our Eagle One and the Eagle One PRIMA. They are both, let's see here. This is awesome. You seeing this? Yeah, it's seeing it. Pulling them side by side. Yes, they are both 28 seconds. This is right on target. We got 18 grams in, 38 out. This one actually, I set the dose before I had the pre-infusion set, so it might need to be reduced just a little bit to accommodate for the pre-infusion. But let's get this set up here. Let's get the Eagle One PRIMA and the Eagle One regular. That's more like it. Yeah, wow. Do you want one?
Yeah, I'll try.
Okay, I'm gonna pull you one with this. They taste pretty much identical, which is great because this machine has made our espresso just really shine. And this, in this size package, making something that tastes almost exactly the same is amazing.
That's really good.
You're gonna be jacked up here in a sec after you drink all this espresso. All right, so I'm telling you, this steam wand will destroy any machine you've ever steamed on. It's just unbelievable. One cool thing to note about the steam wand here is that it's not a physical valve, it's actually electronically controlled. So it does take a minute to get used to. I have been working on this machine for 8 months, so I'm used to it at this point. But it is a little bit different than the normal mechanically controlled steam valves. Okay, so here's a little cortado, and we'll give it a taste here in a second. See how it goes. It's great. Great. Absolutely great. Unbelievable. Wow. My kind of gut test, my litmus test for coffee stuff is like, basically, do I want to drink another sip, or am I okay not drinking another sip? And this one is delicious. First impressions are just incredible. It's shorter, it's cute. You can customize it to any color you want. Standard defaults are black, silver, and matte black, like this one, stainless silver, or it might be kind of like a mirrored silver, and then white, like a matte white. So we like the matte black always. This one we decided to kind of do one of our primary brand colors, just kind of as a fun little different thing, just because we have a lot of matte black machines on this counter. But yeah, this little machine will definitely make your coffee as good, if not better, than your favorite local coffee shop. Sound cool? I think so. Yeah. It's stupid. Stupid good. I don't know what else to say. So, got the PRIMA here set up on the back counter of the roasting space. You can see the 2 group right here, and got the 1 group right here. We've had this thing set up for about a week. I've just been using it kind of side by side with the other machine, and just wanted to walk through a couple of the couple of the main kind of, I guess, things that make this machine incredible. So this operates just like the other machine on the new engine optimization, the Neo technology. So there's a really tiny boiler right behind this group head that is kind of like an instant heat on demand for your water. And the kind of thinking behind this is because when you're pulling a shot of espresso, you only need a small amount of water. So by making the boiler smaller and having this instant heat technology, the entire machine is ready in about 8 minutes from being turned off. So part of that, I guess, efficient technology from the Neo technology also comes with the steam by wire. So most of you are probably familiar with like turning a dial to engage a steam wand. Actually, let me show you. Okay, so this was our very first espresso machine right here, 3-group lever machine. So if you are familiar with steaming coffee, you have your steam wand, this is your valve. You're literally turning this to the left, opening that valve, letting steam pressure through. When you're done doing this, you do this like 300-400 drinks in a day, and you do this 300 or 400 times a day, you're gonna get really strong, and you're gonna get barista wrist or a tendonitis in your wrist or something. So that's the typical steam wand setup. And basically both machines offer a steam by wire technology, which takes a bit to get used to, but 2.2 bars of pressure, steam by wire, so you have your purge, and you have your fully open. So what you lose is the kind of like ramp up to your steam pressure, but what you gain is steam by wire. You're at 100% as soon as you engage that steam wand, and it's awesome. Like, I really have like learned how to texture better with this kind of operation. 2.2 bars of pressure. It's so cool. The other crazy thing is that it's only 13 amp draw, like when it's at its full draw. So 110 volt, 13 amp draw. The water tank is 1.5 liters. So let me just read off a couple things because there's so many like awesome things on here. So you can get up to 2.5 bars of steaming pressure with that steam wand. You have your integrated display. So this display here kind of shows your time. It kind of gives you all the pertinent information that you need when you're doing that. There is an iPhone app. The iPhone app lets you get in there, and I'm going to do a review later that kind of really dives into showing you how the app works. You could share espresso recipes. You could share, like, if you had multiple cafes, or if you had a friend that you wanted to like, or another cafe that used this machine, you could actually send them your pre-infusion, like basically send them the recipe for that specific coffee, how much output you want it to have, or even a customer, if you're a coffee roaster and you wanted to send like, you wanted to be able to upload the recipe you intend for a espresso at home, you could do it with the PRIMA. There's a 1.5 liter water tank, which is, let me tell you, it's awesome. Listen to me here. This thing here, trust me, this is what you want. This whole thing comes out like this, gives you a max fill line right there. No more like, I've worked with machines where you're pulling the whole drip tray out to get to a water tank behind your drip tray. That is super handy. Very easy. Steam by wire. Very easy to open this hatch, dump water in, take that out, fill it up at your sink. You can also do the direct plumb kit in. The auto purge. Auto purge is magic. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so we're gonna pretend like we're pulling a shot. We're gonna let it get a few seconds in. Okay, when you're done pulling your shot, you take this out, auto purge. That will keep your screen clean between shots, that kind of stuff. Also, the pre-infusion in unison with the soft infusion technology. So pre-infusion is really helpful when you want to get a more full extraction. So this will do, you can set the pre-infusion, how much water it's adding, and then how long it is not adding water. And then it kind of mimics the lever machine, where after the pre-infusion, it's a kind of ramp to the pressure that you're going, to the pressure that you have set. So we have like a 9 bar pressure shot, but when you have a little amount of water stops, it gives it time to kind of like just saturate. Then it kind of hits it a little bit more gently before it reaches its full pressure. And we found with the 2 group, with this Eagle one here, that our espresso tastes way better. It just increases the, I think, mouthfeel in the body, creates a much more balanced overall experience. This is a leather wrapped handle, which is awesome. That thing is this is the same handle that we use for a normal espresso machine. It's exactly the same as this handle here. That just gives you like that kind of premium thing that normally a machine that you would buy for your house does not come with. It also comes with a really nice tamp. Let me grab it. I guess I didn't really showcase like everything it comes with. It comes with a awesome bar towel, which is so nice. And then in our little box here, we have cleaning stuff. So there's like Kafiza, a little group head brush, another microfiber towel, some different stuff like that. It actually comes with 2 of these portafilters. So we have a second one here. Comes with a back flush cleaning blind portafilter, which you definitely need. And then comes with a very nice tamp. This, those things are normally, that's solid metal that will get you going really nicely just for your espresso setup. Even if it's not for your house, if it's just for like your roastery or like a small cafe, that's gonna be way better than most tamps that you normally get. The Victoria Arduino Eagle one is the real deal. I would want this, actually this is going in our main busy cafe shortly, and if you are doing a mobile operation or you need some extra horsepower in your cafe and you like your current machine and you just want another machine, maybe in a small restaurant, like this would fit in like any restaurant in any setting, and it will make your coffee better. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you like the video, please like the video, and yeah, leave any comments you might have or questions. I'm happy to answer some questions, or even get on Instagram Live and show you guys more of the rich details and features. I kind of am hoping to do another video showcasing the app, a little bit more in-depth review on everything that the Victoria Arduino PRIMA has to offer. But until next time, thank you, and we'll see you soon.